Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how healthy eating can help hair loss treatment for men. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Are you worried about hair loss? Many people overlook an important factor when it comes to preventing and treating hair loss: diet. Nutritional deficiencies can cause hair loss, but eating the right foods can also lead to a fuller, healthier head of hair. Many people want strong and healthy hair, especially as they grow older. Interestingly, your hair grows around 0.5 inches, 1.25 centimeters, per month and 6 inches, 15 centimeters, per year. How fast it grows depends on factors like age, health, genetics, and diet. The right foods can be good for you, but hair loss has many causes. Sometimes, genetic factors like male or female pattern baldness can play a role. Thyroid disease, anemia, autoimmune diseases, and hormone issues may also cause changes or loss of hair. Although you can't change factors like age and genetics, diet is one thing you have control over. Consuming a diet lacking the right nutrients can lead to hair loss. On the other hand, eating a balanced diet with the right nutrients can help promote hair growth, especially if you're experiencing hair loss due to poor nutrition. A healthy diet can help your hair stay strong and shiny. What you eat can also keep you from losing your locks. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Here are the 7 best foods you can eat to promote hair growth. One. Fatty fish. Some types of fish that have essential fatty acids, including omega-3s, and vitamin D are tuna, mackerel, salmon, herring. Fatty fish is also a good source of protein, selenium, and B vitamins, all of which help to promote healthy hair. 2. Eggs. Eggs are like nature's multivitamin because they contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Some of these that are related to healthy hair include protein, biotin, selenium, and zinc. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is important for preventing hair loss. A low-protein diet puts hair growth in a resting phase, which can lead to hair loss and less hair growth. Eggs also have biotin, a B vitamin that is important for hair, skin, and nail health. Being low on biotin has been linked to hair loss, as well as loss of hair color. 38% of women who said they had hair loss were deficient in biotin. Eating egg whites only without the yolk may predispose you to biotin deficiency. 3. Leafy greens. Dark green leafy vegetables are full of nutrients that prevent hair loss. Some good choices are kale, spinach, collards. These contain vitamin A, iron, beta-carotene, folate, and vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked spinach contains about 6 milligrams of iron, a nutrient that is important for strong, healthy hair. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, low iron is the most common nutritional deficiency in the world. It's also linked to many different types of hair loss. Vitamin A is another important nutrient found in leafy greens that plays a role in hair health. It helps your body make sebum, an oil that protects hair by moisturizing the scalp. 4. Fruits. Fruits rich in compounds that are important for healthy hair, including vitamin C and antioxidants, include berries, cherries, apricots, grapes, oranges. These fruits contain many antioxidants, including vitamin C, which can help to protect hair follicles from free radicals. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron and make collagen, which is one of the proteins that build hair and helps prevent hair loss. 5. Nuts and seeds. These nutrient-dense foods have many nutrients that are important for preventing hair loss, including vitamin E, zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids. If you're worried about hair loss, some of the best choices to reach for are walnuts, Brazil nuts, almonds, flax seeds, chia seeds. Zinc and selenium are essential trace elements that your body can't make, so it's important to get them through foods like nuts and seeds. These trace elements are important for hair growth, and being low on them may lead to hair loss. 6. Meat. Meat is a staple in many people's diet and is rich in nutrients that may aid hair growth. The protein in meat aids growth and helps repair and strengthen hair follicles. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of cooked sirloin steak provides as much as 29 grams of protein. Red meat, in particular, is rich in a type of iron that's easy to absorb. This mineral helps the red blood cells deliver oxygen to all cells in the body, including hair follicles. Deficiencies in protein and iron have been linked to hair loss. 7. Beans. Beans are a great plant-based source of protein, which is essential to hair growth. Like oysters, beans are a good source of zinc, which aids the hair growth and repair cycle. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of black beans provides 7% of your daily zinc needs. They also provide many other hair-healthy nutrients, including iron, biotin, and folate. On top of all these benefits, beans are highly versatile and inexpensive, which makes them an easy addition to the diet. Food is the best source of the vitamins you need for hair growth. However, if you fail to get enough in your diet, supplements may be helpful. According to research, supplements work best in individuals who are already deficient. Furthermore, large doses of vitamins and minerals can be harmful if you aren't deficient. So work with a doctor to determine if you have a deficiency or not. At the end of the day, the best way to get these nutrients is by eating a balanced, real food-based diet that includes plenty of nutrient-dense foods. What you eat can have a huge effect on the health of your hair. A lack of the right nutrients including vitamins A, C, D, and E, zinc, B vitamins, iron, biotin, protein, and essential fatty acids may slow down hair growth or even cause hair loss. Fortunately, correcting a deficiency in any of these nutrients may help treat hair loss and promote the rate of hair growth. If you think you're lacking any of these nutrients, try adding some of the above foods to your diet. The sooner you address the symptoms of hair loss, the more likely you are to prevent irreversible damage. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.